Facebook announced its Q1 earnings yesterday. It derives 98% of its profits from advertising, and it received a cool $17.7 billion. It was up 17% year over year, and it was the second best quarter after the fourth quarter last year in the preceding 5 quarters. So this is a good indicator that advertising revenue is still going up. Facebook did say a couple of points about March seeing a decline, and it's followed by a quick recovery and bounce back in April. Advertising is going to be the pulse of the economy because these platforms such as Google, Facebook, and so on receive a lot of investment from businesses trying to attract leads and prospects to their businesses. So as long as we're seeing positive reporting coming from these advertising platforms, then we are likely on the path of recovery. It's good news because advertising is a great way for you to ride out this storm without losing too much of your business. So if you're looking for a bargain, advertising is going to be the best value right now because some people did pull out and they're waiting and they hit the pause button to see what's going to happen once we start moving into the recovery phases. So look forward to more data from Google and Facebook, and we have to see what happens because we're going to need to wait till at least July to see what happens in the second quarter. Thanks for watching. Now, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Every day I'm publishing videos on growth hacking, digital marketing, how to be a successful entrepreneur. I really want to enable you to become a decision maker in your own business in the future of work. So if you want to come along with me on this journey, hit subscribe, hit notifications, and I'll talk to you real soon.